Okay guys, look what I got. I'm going to show you how to make a tasty, quick and easy meal in less than 10 minutes. For lunch or dinner, you're going to have ramen with fresh asparagus and carrots and a fried egg. Or you can make scrambled. And I got some carrots already going here. It's going to be less than 10 minutes. Okay guys, check this out. I got everything going here. Dinner in less than 10 minutes. Boiling some carrots and asparagus. I got an egg frying here. And ramen boiling. And I got the stopwatch on. It's going to be a tasty, quick and easy meal in less than 10 minutes. You could have for lunch or dinner or any time of the day at all. Okay guys, look at this. My egg is cooked. Fried egg over easy. Asparagus and carrots and the ramen. I'm gonna drain the carrots and the asparagus, put them on the plate. Then I'm gonna drain the ramen. I'm gonna put the fried egg on. Okay guys, check it. All right guys, check this out. My egg is done. Fried egg over easy. Asparagus and carrots cooked, and the ramen's cooked. I'm gonna drain the vegetables, put them on the plate. I'm gonna put the egg on the plate. Then I'll drain the ramen, put it on the plate, and season everything up with salt, pepper, hot sauce, and sesame oil. And I'll be good to go. I got the stopwatch on. It's going to be way less than 10 minutes. Okay guys, look. The ramen is cooked. Just drained it. It's going to go on the plate. I'm going to put sesame oil on, a little salt and pepper, and a little hot sauce. And it'll all be good to go. Okay guys, little surprise. I didn't make one dish in less than 10 minutes, but I made two. Look at the time. Woo. Look at the time, 9 minutes and 8 seconds. And surprise, not one but two plates. Fried egg with asparagus and carrots. Carrots are dressed in butter, salt, and pepper. And asparagus the same. And look at that. Ramen with asparagus and carrots. The ramen, just put on a little salt, hot sauce, and sesame oil. The sesame oil is so delicious. You have no idea. This is dry ramen. Not using the seasoning package, just boiling it, draining it, putting on the sesame oil, a little hot sauce and salt. And it's all good to go. Okay guys, it's Danny, cooking with Danny. Did you see that? I cooked two dishes in less than 10 minutes. Fried egg with the vegetables and ramen with asparagus and carrots. All you do is boil the ramen, you cook the ramen, then you drain it. You don't use that seasoning stuff. Drain it, put it on the plate, put on a little salt. Then this stuff. See that? Sesame oil, Chinese sesame oil. Tastes so good. Little hot sauce. I get this one, chili pepper sauce from Trader Joe's. You could use any you like. You can make it as hot as you like or not too hot. I don't like it too hot, just a little tad of hotness. You don't have to put this on at all. You can just use black pepper if you want. But the sesame oil, that's what does the trick. So tasty. The carrots and the asparagus were just dressed in a little butter, salt, and black pepper. Fried egg, I fried in olive oil. Was over easy. Salt, pepper, and a little olive oil over it. Tasty. 2 dishes, ramen with vegetables and a fried egg with vegetables. And as you saw, 9 minutes and 8 seconds. And now, this is my dessert from Trader Joe's, chocolate covered pretzels. They're pretty good. And it took me like 5 or 6 minutes to wash the dishes. So let's say 15 minutes to cook 2 dishes and wash the dishes. Now I'm having dessert. This has been Cooking with Danny. I'm Danny. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. There's going to be a lot of videos coming. I'm going to do the perfect burger, perfect steak, BLT, really good BLT. You don't get them that good in a diner. Usually everything's too cold. Spaghetti bolognese, spaghetti with meatballs, meatloaf, bone-sucking barbecue sauce. What else? Mac and cheese. I'm going to make chili, and then you can make burritos and tacos with the chili. Once it's cooked, you heat up your tortilla, heat up the chili, put the chili on, some cheese, little slice of avocado. You can put a fried egg in there, some black beans. Nice burrito, I'm going to show you. Anyway, that will do it from now. Cooking with Danny. Hit the subscribe button. Love to hear from you guys. Make a comment. Ciao.